I thought the marina was closed because there's some police activity here. Well, maybe it's closed. I wonder what's going on. Let me park here and just find out. What's going on here? Is it closed? Is the marina closed? Is it closed, the marina? Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow, it's a lot of activity here. May as well be closed because they're blocking it. We're gonna do this with the police in the background. That's water. This is the first time I'm launching this craft and it's huge, so there's a lot that I don't know about it, so I'm improvising right now. I'm missing my tailgate, so there's things that are not optimized for this just yet, but we'll get it right, don't worry about it. I think we're hitting the keel. And we're hitting back here. Okay, it's not heavy. We can do it. Hello. It's bad out there? No? Alright, thank you. It's not bad at all outside, which is perfect. Alright, it's high tide, or higher tide I should say. That's cool. Just gonna go around here. Gonna go like this. Everybody's looking at me. And gonna go back to here. And then we're gonna prep. Looking at the boat.
Got it from Florida Fishing Mate?
I'm sorry?
Florida Fishing Mate?
Butter what?
That's your boat?
Yeah.
Florida Fishing Mate, you know who he is?
No.
YouTuber?
No, I'll figure it. He has one?
He has one too.
Is he the guy that is Key Largo?
Yes, him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he has the same one. I saw his video the other day and he was promoting one of those things.
Yeah, same thing I'm doing.
Yeah, same thing, huh?
Yeah.
Great little boats, man. They're not too flimsy either.
But he got a 9.9 on it.
Yeah, 9.9, yes.
This one it's a 5. I have to wait.
It's all right. It's probably pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I want to test. I just want to put it on the water.
Yeah, man.
See if I like it and then keep going. Because I had it for like 2 weeks. Just, you know.
You'll find out if it takes waves.
I know, that's exactly what I want to do.
There you go.
What happened earlier?
I just got here, man. I'd be lying to you if I told you.
So Channel 10 said that it was a local, like crazy guy with a gun. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you?
Everything good?
Yeah, I'm trying to put this on the water, get a taste for it before the storms. Okay. Because it's brand new, I haven't checked it. Okay, let's go. We're doing this, guys. We're doing this. Whew. Test book. So much work. I mean, if you have a trailer, you just... Okay, cool, stable. Let me get the paddle so I don't hit anything.
That's a nice stand-up paddleboard you guys did.
Big one, huh? Yeah, it's... First time you put anything on the water is a learning curve. I'm getting used to it.
Is there?
Yeah. I mean, because it's huge.
Yeah.
It's like it doesn't fit on the truck quite well.
You might want to pick up that line before you turn on the motor.
Yeah, thank you.
And the actual line is?
It's in the front, I think. Right here. But do you see how stable this thing is?
Amárralo aquí al handle.
Al handle. Good idea.
That way it's not pivoting.
Further. The humidity is awful.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
High lines of fair weather, bro.
Thank you. I'm just gonna run it and come back because I don't like the weather. I just needed to like get a taste for it and then plan what am I gonna do afterwards.
Don't feel that bee.
The what?
Don't feel the bee.
The bee?
No, the bee over there next to the paddle.
Oh, there's a bee? Oh yeah, it's gonna fly away. All right, hopefully I don't have to call you guys for rescue. Okay, we're about to get out of the channel, guys. Let me just clear it up. We could run here legally. Let's get a taste. The wheels, the wheels, the wheels. Should have left it in the truck, but I didn't. So they're making a mess right here on the back. All right, let's see what kind of speed we get. Hit it this way, see what's up, and then on the way back. .5. I think it's about 80%. We're getting 6.6. Some choppy seas though. You know, it's not like super calm. There's a storm coming. What's that storm? Tropical storm something? Something coming. There is a lot of seaweed on the water. I think that may be what is affecting this thing. It's a lot of seaweed. I just saw it coming out of the prop. Let me check something. I'll make sure that the coast is clear. Yeah, I don't see anything there. Okay, so the coast is clear. There's a lot of seaweed on the water though. That's gonna be a problem. Let's go 80% because it's too wavy. It's gonna wrap. I may have to do the hydrofoil thing on this motor. I think it's gonna need it. Yeah. So look, if you're gonna get this boat and you want to go more than 10 miles an hour, go for the 9.9. The 9.9 is about 40 pounds heavier than this, so it's gonna bring the boat down a little more and it's gonna be more powerful, so it's not gonna deal with a lot of this stuff. So if you want to go faster than 10 miles an hour, get the 9.9. If you don't care about going fast and you want something manageable, the 5 horsepower is good enough. On water, let's speed up. It looks like it's these people who broke down. Rescue boat. Rescue boat. Wonder what happened there. I'm gonna exit through here. Yay. Just give it a little bit of speed because we gotta do it right. I think we did it right. Yeah, I think we did it right. Let's go ahead and bring the gas tank thing back, close everything, disconnect the fuel, lose this over here enough that I could just lift it up and take it. So this is gonna be the E-Light test portion of this video. Let's see how fast can we do this. It just plugs in there, boom, got the controller. Let's see if we could take us out of here. It has a locking mechanism for reverse, but I don't want to do that right now because I don't need it. On the FastCat 12, I was getting 4+, 4.5. I was super happy with it. And here we're not getting that. So it could be grass. Could be the grass that is on it. Let's clean it up. All right, grass gone. Let's see if we gain any speeds. Oh yeah, totally was the grass. 4.2 miles an hour. 4.5. 3.8. 4.4. Hey guys, welcome to the E-Light propulsion test on the Eagle Fishskiff16. I was running it like when I got it out of the ramp, it was going really slow, 1.7, 2 miles an hour. And it was because it was full of grass. Now I'm looking anything from 4.1 to 4.7 miles an hour. Super cool, man. 4.5, that's super cool. Let's do a turn here to see what's up. Food smells good, but it's not gonna taste that good. Okay, look at this, 4.7, 5, 5.3, 5.1. So why did the outboard didn't go as fast as it would on the fast cat? 4.7 miles an hour, which is not bad. Like, I would totally fish with this unit, this inline on this boat if I'm just going short, like not going far. Instead of grabbing a trolling motor and a battery, I would just grab this. Not bad at all. I don't feel like there's cavitation issues like you had on the fast cat. Kill the kill switch. Okay, we got the turbo speed, 5.6. 750 watts, 5.5. 5.5 miles an hour. There's something right there in front of me. Hope I didn't take too long to pass. Okay, nice fish. Nice fish. Nice. What? Ladyfish. First fish on the FishSkiff16 is not a cuda. No sir, no sir. This is the most exciting thing ever. It is a poor man's tarpon. See ya. Turn around. There you go. I'm so excited. So excited. First fish is not a cuda. It was close, dude. I got a cuda chasing the bait, and good thing it didn't eat it. I also had a cuda cut off. So it's incredibly crazy that the first fish on the boat, caught by the boat, it is a poor man's tarpon. So cool, man. I just saw some commotion over there. I cast it to it, and guess what? Fish on the boat, man. That's what's up. Fish on the boat. Okay. All right. What is this? Oh man, I'm losing them. I'm not hooking them right.
Twice.
I know, they're hard to hook though. Oh yeah. This is a big one. This time I set the hook like a bass. Yeah, look at this. Nice bait. Huh? Big. Yeah, it's big. Nice bait. Okay. All right. Boom. Yes, that's two. Set the hook properly. What the heck was that? That was horrible. I tried to set the hook twice. Oh, those things are evil. So annoying. You hook them and they jump so hard that you lose them. I mean, I think everything is happening because of the hook that the jig head that I'm using. It's not big enough. I'm gonna take my time with this. Gonna let it jump like a tarpon. Maybe I'll land it jumping like a tarpon. Yeah, lost it there. Another cool thing with the ePropulsion E-Light is that you just press here and motor's out. Just like that, dude. Just like that.